Welcome, beautiful soul, to this moment of release and renewal. This is a guided meditation to help you let go of what no longer serves you, whether it be emotional baggage, old stories, or lingering energy from the past. You are here to create a space for peace, love, and your highest self. So find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down, and allow your body to settle. Close your eyes if you haven't already. And then take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Good. Now let's begin this journey together. So bring your attention first to your breath. Notice the air moving in and out. There's no need to change it. Just observe its natural rhythm. And now, let's deepen the breath. So inhale deeply for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold it for a moment. And exhale for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And again, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. And exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And with each exhale, feel your body soften. Let any tension in your shoulders, jaw, or chest just melt away. You are safe, and you are held. So one more time now, inhale deeply. Hold it, and exhale, releasing any heaviness you're carrying. As you breathe, silently set an intention for this meditation. You might say to yourself something like this: I'm ready to release what no longer serves me. Or perhaps something like this: I choose to let go with love and ease. So whatever feels true for you, hold it gently in your heart and know that by being here, you're already taking a powerful step towards freedom and peace. So now, imagine yourself standing beside a gently flowing river. The water is clear, sparkling under soft sunlight. The river is a symbol of release, carrying away anything you no longer need. Notice the smooth stones beneath your feet, the soft breeze on your skin, and the soothing sound of water flowing by. And in your hands, you hold a small, delicate basket. This basket contains emotional baggage, old narratives, or lingering energies you're ready to release. These could be feelings of hurt from the past, relationships, self-doubt, or stories about yourself that no longer align with who you're becoming. So take a moment to name these things silently. What are you ready to let go of? There's no judgment here, just honesty. And now, with love and compassion, place these burdens into the basket. See them as leaves or petals. They're light and ready to be carried away. And when you're ready, kneel by the river's edge and gently tip the basket, letting its contents spill into the water. Watch as the leaves or petals float on the surface, carried effortlessly downstream. And as they drift away, feel a lightness in your chest, a softening in your heart. The river is taking these burdens with grace, transforming them into something new beyond your sight. If anything feels hard to release, well, that's okay. Just whisper to it, "I release you with love," and then let the river carry it gently. So stand now and notice how the river flows on, clear and free. You are not the burdens you've carried. You're the one who chooses to let them go. And as you stand by the river, feel the warmth of the sunlight on your face, a reminder of your inner strength and worth. So let's affirm your value together. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud, letting them sink into your being. I am worthy of peace and joy. I release what no longer serves me with ease and grace. I am whole, complete, and enough just as I am. My heart is open to new beginnings. So feel these words ripple through you, like the river's gentle current. And again, let's say I am worthy of peace and joy. I release what no longer serves me with ease and grace. I am whole, complete, and enough just as I am. My heart is open to new beginnings. So let these truths anchor you. You're not defined by what you've let go. You're defined by the courage to release and the love you hold for yourself. So now bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the space you've created within. Your heart feels lighter and your mind clearer. So imagine a soft golden light glowing at the center of your chest. And with each breath, this light grows, filling your entire being with warmth and love. So inhale, and let this light expand your shoulders, your arms, and your hands. And exhale, and feel it flow down through your hips, your legs, and your feet. This light is your essence, pure, radiant, and free. It reminds you that you're always capable of renewal. So if any lingering thoughts or feelings arise, simply notice them and let them float back into the river in your mind. You don't need to hold them. They're already being carried away. So take one more deep breath, letting the golden light fill every corner of your being. You are whole. You are free. As we prepare to close, know that you can return to this river anytime you need to release. It's always flowing within you, ready to carry away what no longer serves. So gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes now, and take a deep breath in and out. And when you're ready, open your eyes carrying this sense of lightness and worth with you. You are powerful. You are enough. So thanks for sharing this sacred moment with yourself. Namaste.